If your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus is not scanning QR codes, don't worry. This is usually a small setting or software issue. Let's fix it step by step. First, open your camera app. If the camera doesn't detect a QR code, go to Camera Settings. From the first option, Scanning, make sure Scan QR Codes is turned on. Once it's enabled, go back and try scanning your QR code again. A lot of the time, this alone fixes the issues because the phone simply wasn't set to detect QR codes automatically. If it still doesn't work, the next thing you want to check is the QR code itself. Sometimes the problem is not your phone, it's the code. Make sure the QR code is clear and not blurry, well lit, not damaged or faded, and if possible, try scanning it using another phone. If it works on another device, then we know your QR code is fine and the issue is on your phone side. Now let's move to the next fix. Go into Settings, scroll down and tap Software Update. Check if your phone is up to date. If there is any update available, go ahead and install it. This matters because Samsung often fixes camera and scanning bugs through software updates, so an outdated system can cause QR scanning issues. If you're still having the problem, here's the next step. Go back into Settings, then open Apps. Search for Camera in the list and tap it. Now go into Storage and tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this does not delete your photos. It only removes temporary files that might be causing the camera to behave incorrectly. After clearing the cache, restart your phone and try scanning again. And at this point, your QR code scanning should be working normally again. That's it.